What's up, Fish Tank TV? This is Barbara Fish Tank. What's up, Fish Tank TV? This is Barbara Fish Tank, and you know, get better by doing, you know. What's up, Fish Tank TV? This is Barbara Fish Tank, and today is my 100th video, like celebration video, and I'm feeling a little bit cold today, so sorry if my voice is a little annoying, but I want to thank each one of you, each of my viewers, each of my subscribers, and I want to thank you for watching this video as well. And I also want to thank the people on Fired Up Fish Tanks for motivating me and actually making this possible. I'm very happy that I finally reached 100 subscribers, and I'll see if I can make a contest, but right now I don't have any thing to kind of do the contest with. I don't really have some stuff to do it with and stuff like that, but I hope this is good enough that I can show you like a celebration video. I hope you enjoyed this video, so see you guys in another video.